popular girl, it is Christy. It's lonely girl new in the city. She is new girl in the city. Christy only speak English. She is American. She like New York City. She live Manhattan Bridge or 5 minutes apartments. The area rich give name Toronto Smith 137. The story in New York. You and me in the city.